already court has granted 25,000. 25,000 is reasonable under these circumstances. Without a
even-
material, court has already
Even
granted
annually she
25,000.
has to pay 1,20,000 to the children, my lord. That is what even.
No, please understand that she may have to pay so many things. While granting maintenance, court has to see what is the husband's capacity also. She
Even-
wants to join the children in a school where she has to pay 3 lakhs per year, but his income is 15,000. What the court can do?
Petition filed by the respondent dismissed in the last occasion. The petitioner wife sought for enhancement of the maintenance. The family court has passed an order for 25,000.
Yes. What is the matter?
The family court has passed 25,000 per
There
month.
is impugned order.
Page number 9, annexure M.
Please read from the reasoning part.
Yes. It is the case of the petitioner that the respondent is her husband, and due to their wedlock, 3 children were born. The respondent, after the birth of the children, one or the other way, he used to insist the petitioner to bring the cash, and though the parents of the petitioner helped many times, the respondent, due to loss in business, who has sold all the gold jewels of the petitioner, started ill-treat her, and due to intolerable torture meted out by her in order to save her life and security of the children, she started to reside at her parental house. And the respondent, who is having sufficient income, has neglected to maintain the petitioner. Therefore, she needs to maintenance, and she also filed affidavit of assets and liability statement and also supporting documents. However, the respondent, who has not denied the relationship, has also filed asset and liability statement by stating that he is earning rupees 15,000 per month. And the petitioner's father has got property and she is financially sound, and prays to dismiss the said application. For use the asset and
On
liabilities.
what basis the maintenance has to be enhanced?
My submission is, see, he is also doing business, my lord.
Where is the material on
Selling of acrylic sheets.
Material on record. What is
It is
the
in the
income?
wedding card itself, it
Basing
is
on that, how
stated.
can you, already court has granted 25,000.
And in addition to same, there are 3 children, my lord. For them,
Understand, first of all, what is the husband's capacity is what is the factor to
in
for
addition,
granting maintenance.
in addition to business, he is also earning, means income is also
That's what
deriving
the
from.
court has also recorded. Where is that is the case of the wife. There should be some material before the court.
My only submission.
25,000 is reasonable under these circumstances.
The-
Without a
even-
material, court has already
Even
granted
annually, she
25,000.
has to pay 1,20,000 to the children, my lord. That is what even.
No, please understand, she may have to pay so many things. While granting maintenance, court has to see what is the husband's capacity also. She
Even-
wants to join the children in a school where she has to pay 3 lakhs per year, but his income is 15,000. What the court can do?
In city, my lord, city like Bangalore,
No convincing
For
reason
lesser-
that. Please come.
and
Agreed with
he has contacted with second marriage, my lord.
Agreed with orders passed in I number 2 in criminal miscellaneous 231 of 2021, dated 18th October 2023. The wife is before this court seeking enhancement of the compensation. By order impugned, the court had granted 25,000 per month to the wife and to the wife towards the interim maintenance, and the husband is also directed to pay the arrears of interim maintenance within 3 months from the date of the order, failing which the petition is entitled to record the same through due process of law. It is a case of the wife that the petition is filed seeking maintenance of an amount of rupees 75,000 per month to herself and her children. It is a case that the husband is doing business and earning rupees 10 lakh per month. Further, he is having rental income from the building to the extent of rupees 60,000. In spite of the same, he has neglected to maintain the petitioners, neglect to maintain the wife and the children. It is a case of the husband that he is earning an amount of rupees
15,000.
15,000 per month, and it is his case that wife is doing tailoring work, earning 30,000 per month. The court, while granting an amount of rupees 25,000 as maintenance, has observed that from the invitation card, it is shown that he is the proprietor of MA Enterprises. Hence, the respondent is doing business of supplying all kind of acrylic sheets and number plates, and definitely is getting good income from the business, and therefore he cannot avoid the responsibility of maintaining the petitioners by saying that he has that he is not having is not financially in a position to support them. And it is also settled law that an able-bodied person is bound to maintain his wife and children, and accordingly had granted maintenance of an amount of rupees 25,000. Land aggrieved thereby, the wife is before this court. Land counsel appearing for the wife submits that the wife is not able to maintain herself and her 3 children with the salary, with the amount of maintenance that is granted, that is an amount of rupees 25,000. The husband is is sound. Apart from the business, is getting rents from the house rented by him, and still he still and still he fails to maintain the wife and the children by providing adequate maintenance. This matter came up on 2 occasions. On the last 2 occasions, there is no representation on behalf of the learned counsel for the respondent. Next para. Having heard the counsels on either counsel for the petitioner, there is a material on record. The wife is seeking 75,000 as maintenance. According to her, the husband is doing business and earning lakhs of rupees, and also is getting rental income. The basis for the trial court to pass an order of granting maintenance of an amount of rupees 25,000 is that in the marriage card, the petitioner, the husband has shown as the managing director of MA Enterprises. On this basis, the court had granted 25,000. Now the wife is before this court for seeking enhancement. Absolutely, there is no material before this court to grant a particular amount or to enhance the particular amount. Already, by doing some guesswork, the court had granted 25,000, and this court is of the view that there are no grounds to enhance the maintenance. Accordingly dismissed.
क्या ये मुमकिन है कि कोई व्यक्ति जो सिर्फ 15,000 रुपए महीने कमाता है वो 25,000 रुपए मेंटेनेंस दे सके? अपनी राय नीचे कमेंट में जरूर बताएं। कर्नाटक हाई कोर्ट की इस सुनवाई में पत्नी ने याचिका दायर की कि जो 25,000 रुपए मेंटेनेंस मिल रहा है उसे बढ़ाकर 75,000 किया जाए, क्योंकि उसका दावा है कि उसका पूर्व पति एक बिजनेसमैन है और लाखों में कमाता है। इस पर माननीय न्यायाधीश ने उसे दस्तावेज मांगे जिससे वह अपने दावे को साबित कर सके, लेकिन वह ऐसा करने में असफल रही। उसने सिर्फ इतना कहा कि उसके पास बहुत सारे बिल्स हैं जिन्हें चुकाना है, जिस पर कोर्ट ने स्पष्ट किया कि अदालत को यह भी देखना होता है कि पुरुष की भुगतान करने की क्षमता क्या है, वो खुद कैसे जीवित रहेगा। इस आधार पर कोर्ट ने याचिका खारिज कर दी और बढ़ी हुई मेंटेनेंस की मांग नामंजूर कर दी। फिलहाल के लिए बस इतना ही। चलो मिलेंगे इस मामले की अगली जानकारी के साथ। धन्यवाद।